The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces have shot down one MiG-29 of the Ukrainian Air Force near Kurakhovo in Donetsk People's Republic and one Ukrainian Su-24 near Kaluga in Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities have neutralized 8 unmanned aerial vehicles near Alexandrovka in Nikolaev region, Bruskinskoye, Raiskoye, Sadok in Kherson region, Yasenovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Pavlovka and Petrovskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 17 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS, multiple launch rocket systems, and one US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missile have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region and Kherson. In total, 307 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,107 unmanned aerial vehicles, 377 air defense missile systems, 5,147 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 855 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,439 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,973 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.